Hello students, I hope you all are safe at your homes and hope you all are enjoying the drawing activity. तो चलिए आज आपको कुछ और कलरफुल एक्टिविटीज बताते हैं. Are you all ready? So today we are learning some fruits. This is what we have made: brinjal, bangan. Can you guess this? Which fruit is this? We have made papaya, papita. So here we are making one slice of papaya. Students, I am using oil pastel colors and pencil colors as well. If you want, you can make it with crayons. You can make it with oil pastel colors. Now guess this fruit. Now can you guess this? Here we have made a slice of watermelon. Now can you guess this fruit? So here we have made cherries. Kids love cherries, no? So students, I hope you all enjoyed this drawing, coloring, and please keep practicing at your homes.